disaster in 1979, an mid-air collision which killed most of their team's tactical squad.
Alrighty, big day coming up. I'm actually at Tim's place. I've been here going back and forth watching the World Cup. So yeah, anyway, World Cup is going great. A lot of different World Cup football. Today's vlog, or this vlog, it's this weekend will be our grand final. So we are playing the grand final against the Manila Nomads. We have been really busy because last year we lost to the Nomads in the grand final. So this year we have been putting a lot of effort into more training, and even Ken have been doing some video coaching, video review of the game and how we're gonna play the game, strategize everything. So today is Thursday, so it's training day, and I head out to Alabang, usual place, do some training. The game is on Saturday 6:30, so still one full day to go, which is tomorrow. So anyway, let's go for training. Beautiful sunset. Usual stop, get some water for the training. It's this guy from Fiji. What's up? Oh, see, nice sunset right there. That's a nice sunset all the way there. Oh, there's like 25 people here. Oh, the E-bones. These are the E-bones. Anyway, we ran a bit late because we were late, and we was we were super late. 7:06. The training starts at 5:30, but as you can see, it's the journey. It is 3:18 in the morning. Now we just got back from Manila after the game, so I did not vlog the games because we kind of arrived there super late. There was like a huge traffic going into Pasig, so we kind of stuck within the 100-meter or 200-meter, let's just say 300-meter. We stuck there for 40 minutes straight because there's like a basketball tournament that's going on there, Nations Cup. So it's like, I think it's Japan, Philippines, USA, Czech Republic, and other nations. There were like, I think 6 nations playing volleyball for women. So anyway, sadly we lost the grand final to the Nomads. This is like second year in a row now. The Nomads won back-to-back. So we actually lost by 2 points. The E-bones, our second division team, also played a grand final with the second division team for the Nomads. So they actually lost 21-20. So 1 point different. And we lost, I think it's 14-12. So we lost by 2 points also to the Nomads. So they are back-to-back rugby champion here in the Philippines, especially in the NCR region. So yeah, it was really, really disappointing, but all good. We don't have to win all. Anyway, we went there. There was like a fundraising at a tiny town that we usually go and hang out after the game. So there was like, it was a fundraising for the national team. They were doing their fundraising to to fund their championship travel in, I think, this month also. So yeah, there was like a lot of stuff. There was karaoke. And also we found out that there are several eagles that can rap. And after that, we just got home. We left the place around almost 2 a.m. in the morning, and we just arrived 3:21. So team just left me and Warren at the gate, and I'm here. So was not the best result we've get this week. So for the rugby in the Philippines, for the club Alabang Eagles, but we did have fun. So anyway, that's it. I need to sleep. See you on the next one.